This is Ryan with NutriSport and Full Potential Training in Clive, Iowa, and here's a tip to help you reach your full potential.
This is Ryan from NutriSport. Today I'm going to show you a new back exercise. This is rows. However, I've got the barbells up against the wall. Okay, you've got two barbells here. The thing I like about this is it causes each arm to move independently. It's a different exercise you can do to change things up. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your feet nice and close to the plates. Okay, you're going to take a narrow stance, grab the end of the barbells, sit up with it, and throw it in there. Notice I've got my back arched, really focusing on the contraction. Just like that. Nice and controlled on the way down, squeeze it hard on the way up. Give that a shot on your next back workout.
If you like these tips, come join us. Give me a call at 515-331-2141 or Ryan at fptnutrition.com, and we'll help you look and feel your absolute best.